Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Ariana Grande here. Don't wanna break up again. So we're gonna do this very easy. Easy string pattern. It's basically two chords back and forth, besides from a bridge part later on. Let's do this. And no need for any capo here. Let's dive right into the song with this A sharp major 7. Alright, so that's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the first fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here. So just 5 strings from bottom of this. And then you need to add third on D, second on G, and third on B. Alright, so that is the first main chord here, and the second and last main chord is the A minor 7. Sounds like that, and it goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. So between these two chords, that's where the magic happens 95% of the song. But then we also had a bridge part later on, and I'm gonna do that very simple, like in this way with a bar set on the first fret. You're gonna have that with you through that bridge part. And the first one is the G sharp based thing, a little bit stretchy like this, but you have the bar on first fret, and then you need to add fourth on E and third on A. That's a G sharp. Then we have the G. You go to this position, keep that bar, and then you add third on E and third on A. And then we have the F sharp chord. So you keep the third fret A string there with a little pinky or whatever finger you're using, and you go and add the second fret E string as well with that bar still there. And then we have this plain F. That's actually F minor 7, I believe. So you have just the third fret A string added there besides from this bar on first fret. So it goes from G sharp to G to F sharp and to F. All right. So let's go back to the main part here, the A sharp to A minor, and yeah, we will work with a string pattern that goes simply down, down, clap, down. So grab that A sharp and goes for one string around. So down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play 4 of these like that. So then you switch to A minor and go for that. So you're gonna play like that till the bridge part starts at about 1 minute and 49 seconds into the song, and then you go with the chords we learned, the G sharp, G, F sharp, and F in that order for 2 rounds almost. So you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord there. And I see now that I actually forgot to mention one chord here. We don't have that with us now, but I'm gonna go with that. So it's the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So you're gonna play the G sharp 2 string rounds, the G2, the F sharp 2, and the plain F there for 2. Then the second half of it will be G sharp 2, the G2, and then you have C4 string rounds. So that will make up for the bridge part, and then you go back and play the main A sharp to A shift till the rest of the song and till the end. And that's pretty much how you handle Don't Wanna Break Up Again from Ariana Grande. Good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.